Today we will do chapter 2 of maths and linear equations in one variable, where the basic idea of linear equation has been explained, but there are doubts with people. And here I will just tell you that there are the syllabus has been reduced, but in this the questions which are given, they are not tough, they are simple. If you see in this exercise, the first question is the basic equation where it is x minus 2. So in linear equation, the variable is single variable. You will not use two variables, and one variable means like you will be using x or one constants, and there are some numbers which change. So let's start quickly. If you have seen the class for the first time, you can press the notification. There will be classes and there will be sessions. You can subscribe. Now in this exercise 2.1, the first question is a basic question. I will just tell you that in this you have to just solve the value of x. So when you solve the value of x, you have to just transfer the numbers on the other side. This is first basic question. So when you are solving any linear equation, keep x and is equal to sign in one line. Keep this is equal to sign in one line. This is to make the question and the readability easy. If your question is understood and read easily, then you will feel that the person who is checking, he will also be able to read and solve it easily. So you keep x on one side and bring this 2 on this side. So 7 is already on the right side. When you bring minus 2 this side, it will become plus 2. Sign will change. So this is the basic linear equation, and the answer is x is equal to 9. This is the first question, which is the basic of linear equation. So question 1, 2 and 3 are same type. Now question number 4 is different. Now see what is the difference. The difference is only in the framing of the question. There is a fraction given, there is x given, and there is another fraction given. Now in this we solve for x. Here also we will solve for x. So we will keep x on one side and transfer the number on the other side. This was a number, this was an integer, there was no fraction. Here there is a fraction. So what the rule is same, that you will keep x on one side is equal to, I am keeping one below the other to understand easily. And 17 upon 7 is already on the right side. So you keep 17 upon 7 on the right side and then transfer the second number on the right side. So you bring this on this side, it will become minus 3 upon 7. X is kept left side. 17 upon 7 is already on the right side. You bring 3 upon 7 on the right side, it will become 17 upon 7, and the sign of plus 3. Why is it minus here? Because when you transfer the number, the sign of the integer or the fraction changes to the other side. So plus 3 upon 7 will become minus 3 upon 7. Now you have to simplify. X is equal to, and this number is a fraction, so you will simplify and take LCM of this number. When you take LCM of this, then it will become 7 is the LCM, so it will become 17 minus 3, so it becomes x is equal to 14 upon 7, and the answer is 2. This will divide. So this is how you do it. You can check the steps once again, you play, and you will understand how it is done. Now in the new books the questions are changed. and there are some questions which are given. I have explained a fraction question to you. In the new publishing, the questions are totally changed. They have given very basic questions. Let's see one question where there is the basic of linear equation explained, and you will understand how it is done. Let's take another example. This is given as a fraction. So if you see 2.1 has got few questions, 2.2 has got some questions. They are in fraction form. If it is like this, x upon 3, then plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now this question is a fraction form. This can be solved in different ways. Let's take question 1. Let's take question number 2. 2x upon 3 minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 5. Let's understand both the questions. In the first question, I am starting from the lower one. I can solve both the questions by taking LCM. So x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So what I can do, I can take LCM of left side and leave the right side. This is the first method, and this is the second method. So the first method is take LCM of only left hand side. The LCM of left hand side will be 3 into LCM is 6. Right hand side remains as it is. So 3 into LCM is 6. Now you know what will happen. You will divide the LCM. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 2 the 6. So it will become into 2. Then 2 will divide 6. It will become 2 3. So it will become into 3. Now 2 into x will become 2x. And 5 into 3 will become 15. See the step again. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. You will divide 6 by 3. 3 will go 3 to the 6. 2 will multiply the numerator. So 2 into x will comes 2x. Then 6 will be divided by 2. So 2 3 the 6. 3 will go in the numerator and multiply. 3 into 5 is 15. So now your question becomes 2x plus 15 upon 6 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now the next step. 2x plus 15 upon 6 is equal to minus 3 upon 2 are having fractions on the left side and the right side. You will cross multiply and then solve. So when you cross multiply, if you find that the number is multiplying, 2 will multiply, so it will become 2 into 2x plus 15 equal to 6 will multiply, so 6 into minus 3. So it becomes 2 into 2. Now this is algebraic rule. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 15. This is algebraic rule. So 2 into 2 4. 2 into 15 30. This will multiply. And on the right side it will become minus 18. Now 2 into 2 is 4x. 4x plus 30 is equal to 6 into 3 is minus 18. It will become 4x is equal to, if you have doubt you can type the doubts, minus 18 and 30 will come on the right side. So when we transfer the number, the sign changes. Then the step becomes simple. Minus 18 and minus 30 is minus 48. And you will get the answer. X is equal to minus 48 upon 4, and it is done. So in this method, first method, you can take LCM of left side. Now let's solve this question by second method. You can see which method is easier. In the other method, it is not complicated. It is x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now, what is the other method? The other method is applicable when you are having two fractions on one side and two on the other side. So, in this case, since there is a group of fraction here and a single number, so you can do LCM of both left hand side. This is your left hand side and this is the right hand side. So you can take LCM of the left hand side as well as right hand side together. So what is the LCM of 3, 2 and 2? It is 6. So what we will do? We will try to solve by keeping LCM 6 and 6. In a short way, I can write full one line. If you are confused, then don't see this, you can do this method. But see, this will solve faster. When you take LCM of left hand side and right hand side together, then you write one number and do the same thing which you did here. Divide 6 by 3, it will go 3 to the 6. So it will become into 2. 2 will divide 6, it will go 2 3 the 6, so it will become into 3. And now 2 will divide 6, so it will become 2 3 the 6, so it will become into 3. Now it will become 2 into x is 2x, 5 into 3 is 15, is equal to is already there, and 3 into 3 is minus 9. So the steps are that you are taking LCM of left hand side and right hand side as one LCM. So I have taken LCM 6 for left side also and right side also, and the solution is you will do 3 denominator. The question is having 3 here, so this 3, 2 and 2 LCM is 6. You will divide and solve for both sides. 3 will divide 6 2, so 2 into x. 2 will divide 6 3, so 3 into 5. 2 will divide 6, so 2 into 3 is 6, so 3 into 3. So you know that in fractions the denominator is divided and then we multiply the answer by the numerator. 2 into x is 2x, 5 into 3 is 15, 3 into 3 is minus 9. So your equation becomes 2x plus 15 is equal to minus 9, and now both sides LCM is 6. Now what is the benefit of this method? That when you have taken LCM of both the sides, then after this step your question becomes 2x plus 15 is equal to minus 9. Both sides LCM is 6, so we can delete the LCM. Your equation becomes 2x is equal to minus 9 minus 15, and 2x is equal to minus 15 and minus 9 is, so here also the answer comes 48 upon 4. Here it becomes 24 upon 2. Here it becomes minus 24. Here it becomes minus 48. When you divide, here you get 12 and here also you get 12. So in both ways the answer comes same. Only thing is understanding of the question, that how the question will be solved if you are having a fraction. So let's take one more question. 2x upon 3, the question number 2, for better understanding. Or let's see, I will make another question. 2x upon 3. Let's take a bigger number. 2x upon 3, 5 upon 7 is equal to minus 11 upon 3. So here same thing. you can take LCM of left side. The LCM of left side is, if you want, you can type what is the LCM. The LCM of 7 and 3 is, and is equal to minus 11 upon 3. So here I am solving left hand side by taking LCM. 21. Now divide 21 by 3. 3 will go 7. So 3 7s are 21. Yes, right. It will become 7. Now 7 will divide 21. It will become 7 3s are 21. Yes, correct. 3 will come. So 2x upon 3, when you will solve, 3 will become 7, 2x into 7. So when you divide the LCM, 7 will divide 3 times. So 3 will multiply numerator. 2x into 7 will become 2 into 7, 14x. 5 into 3, 15. See this answer we have to write with the sign. Now the question becomes 14x minus 15 upon 21 minus 11 upon 3. Now after this, what you will do, you all know, you will cross multiply. Now when you cross multiply, what happens? 14x minus 15 upon 21 is equal to 11 upon 3. Now when you cross multiply, you know 3 will come here and 21 will multiply. Before you cross multiply, you have to check that how can we solve, because you can't solve it in a slow way. If you want to solve it fast, then see if both the denominators are divisible. Now here it is 21 and here it is 3. So you know 3 can divide 21. Now this question can be solved in the normal method. Normal method is the left side. Fast method is this side. So the normal method is, you will do 3 will come here. So it will become 3 multiplied by 14x minus 15. 3 will come here. 3 into this bracket and 21 into this. So it will become 21 into 11. So this is the first normal method which everyone uses. So what is the fast method? The fast method is that 14x minus 15 upon 21 is equal to 11 upon 3. Since both the numbers, fraction left side and right side, are having 3 and 21, I will reduce them. 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. So now in this case, my question becomes 14x minus 15 upon 7 is equal to 11 upon 1. So I have reduced the number. I will multiply by a small number. So if you are confused in this, then follow the normal method. 3 into 14 and 3 into 15 and 21 into 11. Here there is a big number. So when you will multiply, it will become 15 and 3. This will multiply 14. This will multiply 15. So 3 into 14 is 42. And 42x minus 15 into 3 is 45 is equal to, this will multiply 231. And now x you will keep on one side is equal to 231 plus 45. And x is equal to, now simplify. So 5 and 6, 4 and 3, 7, 276 upon 42. And you cut it and you get the answer. In this case, answer will come same. If you will reduce it, it will give you same answer. This will give you answer directly. So it will become 14x minus 15. 7 will come here. It will multiply 77. 14x is equal to 77 plus 15. And you will get the answer 7 and 5 upon 14. So you will get the same answer here. See, if I will divide 3, 4, 3, 9, 2. So both ways the answer comes same. So it is entirely up to you that how do you simplify the question. The method is explained. You can see how the question has been started and how do you go about it by doing the cross multiplication and all. So whenever you have any fraction, in the end you have to reduce the question in a form where it can be reduced into a flat linear in one line equation. So if you have any doubt, you can put your doubt below the video, and then we will continue with the next question in the next class. So if you want to ask anything, you can put your query below it, and see you in the next class. We will continue with this exercise later. Goodbye.